Hi, I'm Ben from Expert Electrical. I'm here to talk about the fact that a lot of people don't think about getting solar in the winter.
That's weird, because July is the second sunniest month of the year, and there's not many rainy days in winter.
Plus, solar panels work best in the cool winter temperatures, so they can work just as well in winter as they can in summer. So I don't know if you're aware, but electricity prices are going up between 20 and 30% starting in July.
At this time of year, we can get your solar installed in under 4 weeks, whereas if you wait to the summer months, you could be waiting up to 3 months due to booking and bad weather.
So guys, in winter, it really is the best time to get a quote for solar. Don't delay things till summer. Call us today and get the quote done to you straight away.